Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Erin L. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight is my husband's birthday and I have a very special night planned for him. I have a fun little date. Let me walk away because I don't want him to eavesdrop. He doesn't know where we're going. He's always talked about how he wants to take a cooking class. I signed us up to take a cooking class out here where we live at. I don't know what to expect. I mean, I do know that we're cooking Creole dishes tonight. So on the menu is blackened chicken and I guess some types of sides. I can't remember. I wanted to give Hitch vibes. Y'all remember the scene from Hitch when they went out to that little cooking class with the girl and her boss and he had that allergic reaction? Like, that's the scenery I hope it gives. I hope it's like a cute, romantic, fun type of date night tonight. So I'm waiting on Jarrell to come watch the kids. My other two are at practice right now. I think this is them pulling up right here. So we about to get running. Look. All right, let's go inside and get ready. Well, I'm already dressed and ready. And let's go have some fun and celebrate my man. Hey, guys. Hey. Thanks for helping out tonight.
No problem.
Oh, my God. We're so late. Never trust a college kid to be on time to babysit. But let's go have some fun. You still don't know what it is, honey?
No, classroom kitchen is all I got. What that mean? They cook.
We're gonna find out.
Oh, cooking classes. Okay, now I need a drink too, though.
I hope we can drink.
Fast.
Hopefully we can drink. We're like 18 minutes late. Hopefully they didn't start without us. But let's see. Let's go have some fun.
White red, a lager, and IPA.
Okay. You want white red or you want red?
White. So I'm gonna have to turn this video into a little bit of a story time, you guys, because the experience that we had at this cooking class was definitely very interesting, to say the least. So even though we were late, they waited for us before they began class, which was really nice. And he started by giving us a history lesson of the region of Louisiana and where the Creole dishes and the Creole inspiration comes from. And as this nice man was talking, I'm looking around at our station because we're sharing a station with another couple, this couple right across from us. We're sharing a station with them. And I'm noticing that there's only one pan and there's only one burner. And then they pull out the tray and there's only one tray of ingredients. And there's 4 of us at this station. And I'm just a little confused because the way I pictured it, we would all be cooking our own dish, or at least each couple would be cooking their own dish. So at this point, I'm bending down and I'm looking for my pot, my pan, and my ingredients because clearly that was theirs. Where's ours? Until I hear my husband said, there's only one. Excuse me? Only one what?
And I'm going to explain to you how these work. Or the other one. It's like, this is my box. Yeah. All right, these are induction burners. They don't actually create heat, but they give us vibrating. Causes the heat to start. So when
And it was at this moment that the level of discomfort really started to build up in my body. You could see it all over my face. And it still hasn't fully set in yet at this point. So I turned to my husband and I'm like, are we supposed to take turns cooking? Like, y'all go first and y'all use that pot first and then we'll use that pot second to cook our dish?
All right, so you're traveling in jewelry.
one person. Just cut it up into small white-sized pieces. Take a look at yourself.
Do we want to cut it in half? And
Yeah, just cut it in half.
And then we'll get on. This is my, and then you guys can take.
Yeah.
All right.
Same size as the celery. Okay. And then cut squares.
They got enough tables. We don't have enough ingredients.
No. You're splitting ingredients. It's okay. I'm having a great time.
As much as we paid.
Baby, what is it? It's okay.
It's all right. Well, it's your birthday.
This ain't Master Chef. You thought you were walking into Gordon.
And here's where I start to break down. This lovely couple that we were sitting across from, they were a father and daughter. Very nice, very sweet couple, but how do I say this? We all about to eat out of this same dish that man just put his hands in that salt and sprinkled it over. And what about that sausage that I just split, that we just each cut up our own separate pieces and put our hands all over? We about to all add that to the same pan?
Roll all your grounds to the end of the pan. And go ahead and start browning it up. So stirring the apple. Just brown off the rest of it. Now
Somebody's unhappy.
Go ahead and raise your feet up to about 8. Alright? Because you're standing like this. And you can go ahead and throw your babies.
I mean,
See.
it's all right. Enjoy it. You done paid for it.
Yeah.
Just enjoy it.
And now I'm like, so we gotta split it to eat less than they get to eat.
It's for
We're going to work with
out of curiosity. How much you pay for this?
You got it.
$172.
Okay.
Gumbo filets.
Come on, brother. We're gonna stare, man. We're gonna stare, man. Come on, man.
And we're just really starting to develop some.
We gonna get in on this. Y'all want some wine? Yeah, let me get it. You want a glass of wine, man? Yeah, man. We gonna enjoy this shit. We here. We gonna have fun. No, can we get 2 new glasses? Thank you, brother. Yeah, fuck it. What are you talking about? Have fun. Stir the shit up, man. Go ahead.
Okay.
You got the ingredients? You can try this shit at home. This shit,
Yes,
you can try it
andouille sausage.
There you go.
Peppers, celery. Was that green pepper and celery and onions?
We do 1 and 1. Oh, that one. Yeah, so you can cut it in half and just give it half, and I take the other half. We'll try to break it down. Come on, baby, we in this together, man. Man, look, I'm ready. I'd have been poked it up. That's all right. Man, come on, man.
You don't even like tomatoes.
Who, me? Yeah, no. It don't matter, brother. Either one,
I'll
man.
take one.
Okay.
Yeah, either one. Just pick one.
Thank you.
It's going in the same dishes. You know?
You're right about that one.
Yeah, ease it.
Yeah, I think probably should.
And you ease it across, all right? Then you get your hands on it and do it nice and clean like that.
I'll watch the bacon.
All right, make sure you finish rendering that bacon. Honey, you want me to do the thing?
Do what, honey? Yeah, dice those tomatoes. Well, I like it.
Yes, you love it. Look at you tasting stuff. I told you need to open up your palate.
Yeah.
Yeah, girl. Let me see you do it. We done? Do we need another one? No.
All right, guys. The chicken is kind of
There's rum. Rum.
If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good, the young, and poor. I gave
Rick, we going in it.
It's a really cool restaurant. It was like a Mediterranean restaurant, like right on the main like road in town. That was one of the best places I've eaten. Like one of the best meals I've had this year.
And what's it called?
I can't remember. This one was like
Right.
little boys.
Right.
Is it hot?
Right.
Man, taste that shit before you get this. Is it give you a taste? Enhance it a little bit?
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, this shit can't be hot because there ain't no way you can control it.
Jimmy Madison, it's like a
Do you think?
I've been here like
Oh, shit. I was trusting my man. We good. My man said it's straight. Oh, yeah, I don't know what that is. I ain't tasting without. So it tastes good.
And they have like burgers, fries.
The sauce they had. Like,
It's like an oregano or something.
Well, I was more. Oh yeah. I guess not.
no, it's a really cool town.
Typically, he does all the driving for us, but we had to do it.
Look.
It's so good.
Yeah. And, oh, look at the chicken. It's juicy. 450 for how many minutes? 475 he had hands on.
It's nice.
For how many minutes?
Huh?
For how many minutes? Like
I don't
15
know. I
minutes?
lost track of the minutes.
Yeah, that shit cooked through too.
I
Yeah.
lost track of the minutes.
But you know what he said do though?
But
Just go and cook it all the way through.
you know I don't like chicken breast. That's my only thing.
Yeah, but the thighs you probably cook the same way, just less time. And it's probably the same.
Yeah, I saw that. And it was like, this is the event center.
I don't have no parents on school though. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's been a long day. A long day, but a really, really good day. I'm in the bathroom, obviously. I gotta be really quiet because the baby's in there asleep. I just put her to bed. I'm about to take my shower and get in bed. But I wanted to recap our little date night on my husband's birthday. So it was very different. Like, I definitely enjoy myself. I would love to take more classes and just kind of do this, more often. I don't know if I would go back to that place because they really pissed me off with the way that they had the dishes set up or the station set up. Like, I wasn't feeling it at all. And I was debating, do I want to blow my shit and ruin everybody's night? Or, hold on. My dog was standing by the door barking, about to wake that baby up. But yeah, during the whole thing, I was just contemplating. I feel like you could see it on my face. I'm like, okay, how much of a scene do I really want to make? Because to me, it's the principle of the fact. Like, we all paid the same amount of money to be here, so we should all have the same experience. Why should two of the couples have to share and one of the couples gets their own station? Make that make sense. But my husband, being the amazing, cool, level-headed person that he is, he was like, look, we gonna have fun. He took it. He turned that thing around. He knew that I needed a bottle of wine, make that 2, to get through the rest of this evening with a smile on my face. So he turned it around. I think all in all, he enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. The dish was amazing. They sent us home with the recipe. I will be cooking it next week. I need to get myself a cast iron skillet though, because I don't have one of those. So I need to get that, and then I will definitely be recreating that recipe. So it was blackened chicken, dirty rice, and corn marjou. And then we finished it off with the dessert. My camera had died by the time we got to the dessert, but we finished it off with a banana foster. But now I'm not a super huge banana fan. So the sauce that drizzled on top of the bananas, I put it on top of ice cream, and it was so good. So good. So the food was definitely 10 out of 10. The experience itself, but I had a really good time. As always, I thank you guys for watching. Please click that subscribe button so you guys don't miss a thing. I do vlogs every week, and I definitely want to keep you guys up to date on what's going on in my crazy life, in my crazy household. These kids are about to start school next week. I've been vlogging this week, so I'm putting a vlog together and editing that as we speak. So I will see you guys shortly, or you will be seeing me shortly in just a few days. So thank you for watching. Bye.